Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to close Ford Bronco Hood. First, engage the parking brake and set the vehicle on level ground. Next, put on gloves and protective eyewear to avoid cuts and dirt. Identify the primary latch and secondary safety catch under the hood edge. Use both hands to guide the hood down evenly and keep fingers away from pinch points. Find the center latch by gently lifting the hood and feeling along the front lip for the release. Check for a secondary safety catch that prevents accidental closure. It may be near the grille. Verify hood props or struts are holding correctly and not in the way before attempting to close. Knowing these parts helps you control the hood smoothly and avoid surprise slams. Bring the hood down slowly and stop when it is roughly 3.5 inches above the latch, then use both hands to keep it aligned. From that height, let the hood drop the final distance so the latch engages with a firm but controlled push. After it clicks, press lightly on the front to ensure it is fully secured and does not move. Always double-check before driving to stay safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.